5 essential commodities that can make you a millionaire anywhere you are in Africa. Welcome to Smart Money Africa channel. If you are joining for the first time, you do well to subscribe to this our channel so that anytime I post a very inspiring and motivating business idea, you will be among the first to receive the video notification. So you are welcome. Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires from things we see every single day? Things like bread, sachet water, rice, and even cooking oil. The truth is, success doesn't always come from big ideas. No. It often comes from simple products that everyone uses daily. In today's video, I will show you 5 everyday products that can make you a millionaire right here in Africa that we are. If you are ready to think smart, work hard, and stay consistent, you will definitely get it right. The number 1 item on my list is bread. Yes, bread is not just food. It is a daily demand business. Every morning, millions of families eat bread in cities and villages. People buy bread with tea, pap, or even beans. Now, here is the gold. Most local bakeries can't even meet the daily demand for bread. And that is the opportunity. You can start small by partnering with a local bakery around you. Buy like 50 to 100 loaves every morning and resell to shops, roadside sellers for the profit that you can make. Or take it higher. Start your mini bakery if you can afford. Many successful entrepreneurs today began with a single oven. So, whichever way you choose to go, okay, ensure that when you partner, you pick a bread that has quality, brand it, yes, create flyers, insert in it, package it. Packaging is very, very important for whatever type of business we are doing. Package it well before you go ahead and start distributing it. Now, let me give you an example. There is a woman in Ibadan I used to know way back when I was doing youth service, who started with 20,000 naira selling bread from her car trunk. Today, she supplies over 50 shops and makes over 400,000 naira monthly. So, bread will never go out of demand. Find a way to add value to it, either by distribution, packaging, or even production, depending on your capacity. Item number 2 is sachet water, the one we popularly call pure water. Water is life, and in Africa, sachet water is survival. This is one of the simplest but most profitable businesses when managed well. You can start as a retailer, buying in bulk and reselling cold pure water at events, junctions, or offices. Or become a distributor to shops and street vendors. Even better still, if you have good money, you can start with 500k to 1 million, or its equivalent in other currencies of Africa. You can partner with a small factory and get your own brand sachet water. Yes, by simply printing the nylon, the sachet, in your own contact and design. For example, a young man from Accra in Ghana started with 1 freezer and 1 distributor bike. 2 years later, his brand, which was called Fresh Drop Water, is now supplying to schools and events, earning him more than he ever made in 9 to 5 jobs. So it is important people should know a fact. People drink water every single day. The market will never dry up, especially if you live in a dense traffic environment. Now, item number 3 is rice. That is the African staple. If you have ever eaten rice this week, you are not alone. Almost every African home eats rice multiple times a week, from jollof, fried, white rice, or locally prepared rice. The business side of it is that it is booming. You can start as a local rice reseller, buy directly from farmers or mills in states like Kebbi, Nasarawa, Ebonyi, and supply to markets or restaurants as the case may be. Multiple time, people build their own mini rice packaging brand. With time, build your own rice marketing brand. Clean, package it well, and sell Nigerian rice under your own label. Customers love seeing locally produced and neatly packaged. Now, let me give you a story that you can rely on. This was in Kano. A young entrepreneur, then Sani, started repackaging local rice in 5 kg bags and marketing on social media. In 6 months' time, he built a loyal customer base and now supplies to supermarkets and so many other cooperatives and shops. Rice is not just food, it is a brand opportunity waiting for smart people to act. Item number 3 on top of this list is gari. Yes, gari that you know, made from cassava. Gari might look simple, but it is one of the most consumed foods across West Africa and Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, and even beyond. You can start with cassava farmers. Buy in bulk, dry and fry if you have the skill. Then package and sell. Or if you don't want to produce directly, rebrand gari. Clean packaging can turn an ordinary product into a supermarket quality brand. Yes, buy this from local markets around you, brand it, and you can buy it. I want to give you an example of one lady who is a friend of my sister in Port Harcourt. Lucy, I know you hear your name when you see this video. She started Mama Joy Gari, packaging in 1 kg, 2 kg bags. She started with just 30k, 300,000. Now she supplies to supermarkets, and you can find her product in our online stores. In Africa, branding turns local products into wealth. So take note of it and go for your goal. Number 5 on this list is cooking oil, which is the liquid gold. Cooking oil connects every kitchen in Africa. Restaurants, households, streets, food vendors, everyone uses it. You can start small by buying 25-liter gallons in wholesale and repackaging into 1 liter or 2 liter bottles. Yes, that's the idea. Or you can even go to a place by investing in palm oil store during harvest season and reselling when prices go up. Sometimes profit double in just a few months of like 3 to 4. A very good example of this is Emeka from Enugu. Started storing palm oil in February and sold in November. His 200,000 investment turned into 450,000 in less than a year. You can imagine. And some of you have money that you just kept that is not yielding any profits in the bank. Don't underestimate everyday products. Small ideas, consistent work, and good timing can build you the type of wealth you want to have. Now, here is the truth. You don't need to wait for a miracle or a government project to succeed. No. Look around bread, rice, water, gari, and oil. These are not just foods, they are opportunities waiting for you. If you can combine discipline, patience, and consistency, one of these businesses can change your life forever. So don't despise small beginnings. Start with what you have, grow with what you know, and believe that with God and hard work, you can rise from any background to build your own success story. If you found this video inspiring, I want you to support us by clicking the like button, share this video to someone who needs motivation today, and don't forget to subscribe again. It is totally free for more real-time business ideas that can work around you and the entire African continent or even beyond. I want to wish you the very best as you make attempts that you will succeed. Drop your comments in the comment section telling us what you would like to try your hands on and where there are possible ideas will support you with suggestions or to thank you.